Hello everyone. In this crypto video, we will talk about LeverFi Lever Crypto. As you can see here, the current price of LeverFi Lever Crypto is $0.003013, and according to some expert, between 2025 to 2027, this coin can cross a $1. Okay. Whereas if I talk about the current market rank of LeverFi Lever Crypto, it is 459. If its trading volume and price change go up, then you can see the market rank from 459 to 455. This time trading volume is down with 57.77%. And one more thing, if you want to buy this crypto for trading, then let me suggest you that you can buy LeverFi crypto from Binance, and you will get the link of Binance in my YouTube channel about section. Not only the link of Binance, I have also provided the Telegram channel link and CoinMarketCap link in my YouTube channel about section. So please join that. And this is the video related to LeverFi Lever Crypto. And already I have said regarding the LeverFi price prediction, that between 2025 to 2027, according to some expert, this coin can cross a position of $1. So this is the video related to LeverFi crypto. And one more thing, if you want to have an investment in any crypto, so please do a proper crypto market research before having investment in any crypto, because crypto market is highly volatile. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. किसी भी cryptocurrency में investment करने से पहले proper market research कर ले.